Hello and welcome to the Riz Trading channel. So today I'll tell you the most important lessons I have learned in my whole trading career. So before getting into the video, I'll suggest you guys to subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so you will stay updated. I have been learning about the markets and trading them for nearly a decade now. The industry has changed dramatically since I first started trading. Many people aspire to be the next successful trader in the market, but of course, reality is very often different. The truth is, trading is extremely challenging, and the journey towards becoming a successful trader is very often a difficult one. I got a lot of experience and strong mindset, but when it comes to trading, you are at the end of the day still the student of the market. Be humble or the market will do that for you. You cannot control what the market will do next, but you can control how you will react to the prices if they do this or that. So here are the 6 lessons I have learned in 9 years of trading. Number 1. When it comes to trading, be defensive. Be a defensive minded trader. Beginners often approach the market from the completely wrong mindset. They just try to make money as fast as possible, when in reality they should be trying to protect their money as much as possible. If you want to achieve long-term consistent trading success, you need a defensive approach. That means you only trade when the market conditions are right, when all your trading plan criteria has been met. The goal of trading is not just to make money, but also not to lose money which you have made. These are two different things and require extreme mental fortitude. It is not surprising for a beginner to get lucky and hit few good trades or even simply do well for a while by following their plan. However, after that many traders blow it. You should have defensive mindset because only in this way you will be able to preserve your trading capital. In trading, you want to preserve your risk capital for the easy trade setups and for those highly probability price action signals that are so obvious they are literally speaking to you, and you don't want to waste money on the fake signals, on the false signals. The best signals are super obvious most of the time, and that is something I have learned over the years. You will never get upset with yourself for taking a strong trade signal that fails. But if you take signal that you was not sure about, you will definitely get upset. So number 2, risk management is everything. Probably the most important element of the trading would be the process of risk management. Too often we hear new traders bursting thousands of dollars on their accounts overnight simply because they did not set up stop loss measures in place. When it comes to trading, it is always important to assume that you might be wrong on your trade and you have a backup plan that you will execute without questions if things go wrong. So leverage is a crazy thing. You could make a lot of money through it, or you will end up losing tons of money quickly if the things move against you. Hence, risk management is critical. So if you are not sure what risk management really is, then I'll recommend you to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to make full course video on risk and money management. So number 3, never put all your eggs in one basket. If you are new in trading, you will not do good. I'm telling you this from my experience in my early days. You can go full-time trading only once you have been profitable with real money at least 6 to 12 months, and if you have good savings or other income sources. When I was a newbie, I put everything on my trading account. I thought I will make at least 10% monthly return for sure, but it was not a good decision at all. You need to be honest with yourself and make right steps to what you want. So, number four, watching charts is dangerous. Watching charts and monitoring trades will actually hurt your results. So, how many times you have been in trade and you kept checking it and you ended up adding to the position or closing it out too soon? This is very common and one of the biggest trading mistakes that causes traders to lose money. Just enter your trade and stop thinking about it. It's perhaps the most important lessons I have learned. The traders who monitors their trade, they cannot stop trading because they cannot forget about the market. You have to forget about the market for a while when you have a trade on. So the most effective way to do this is not to risk more than you are comfortable with losing. So number 5, higher time frames shows the real picture. I'm not saying that you cannot trade successfully on the lower time frames, but from my own experience, higher time frames such as weekly, daily, 4-hour are showing the real picture and the major direction. Majority of the times, lower time frames will follow the higher time frames. So the number 6, master yourself. If I have to give you just one piece of trading advice, the most important lesson I have learned in all these years of trading is to master yourself if you want to master the market. Until you deal with the mental or the emotional weaknesses that we all have, you will never make consistent money as a trader. Most of the traders don't realize this fact until it's too late. So that is all for today's video. If you have find any kind of value in this video, then please hit that like button and do subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon so you will stay updated from the upcoming videos. So till the next time, take care.